Hello kids, how are you? So I'm going to help you with the assignment number 3. So here it is. Oops, it's going to say 3 here, okay? So what's your name? Write your name here as usual, okay? You can write my name is August, my name is Lolo, my name is Vicky, okay? Don't forget to write your name here. Here are the instructions. Today, the activities are a little bit different. Let's watch them.
Look at this picture and answer the questions.
Okay, so we need to look at the picture, this picture, and answer the questions. All the questions are going to be here in the video. But pay attention, pay special attention to the picture. Okay, there are many things here. So let's do the example. Remember, the first question doesn't add points, okay? It says here 0 points, 0 puntos, okay? Because it is an example. Let's see.
How many drums can you see?
So, how many drums can you see? So look at the picture and let's try to find all the drums. Let's see. 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any other drum? Look, I think there isn't another drum. So we said 5. We come here and we have I can see 5. My name is Lucy. It is blue. Which is the right answer? I can see 5. Good. Click it and we continue with the rest of the questions. Please try to read the sentences. You can ask someone in your house to read it for you. Okay? That's all, children. Well, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate and write to me. Thank you and good luck. See you. Bye-bye.